And now the third participant is Amrish. Please have a big clap for him. And now he will get actually, you will get medal and 40 rupees from my side. आप यहाँ से वीडियो बना सकते हैं, आप यहाँ से एक वीडियो बनाइए, यहाँ से एक वीडियो बनाइए यहाँ पे सब. So actually this is very beautiful moment for you. Actually this, don't waste this rupees, you just buy something. So actually I am giving this money to you and you just invest this money. You can also buy some pen, book, copy like that. Don't use this money to eat and have golgappa like that. Actually this medal will inspire you, motivate you and give you confidence to improve your English. Actually this is the prepared topic, I think, Gandhiji, because I have already told you to prepare it well, and now you have spoken and now your friends have chosen you to give this medal to you, and now I am going to hand over it to you. Have a big clap for him. एक मिनट, कोई फोटो इनका ले लो तो इससे. Now this 40 rupees is for you. चलिए, हाँ फोटो एक ले लो सर जी, ये वाला फोटो ऐसे पैसे से कर लो. चलिए, have a seat sir. But the first position who has got today, he will have to speak 1 minute. So now, second best speaker of the day will get 50 rupees today, and he will get silver medal today. And now, second best speaker, Miss Pragati Singh. Miss Pragati Singh, please come on the stage, madam. क्या ताली बजाते हैं आप लोग. हाँ, आप दूसरों के लिए बजाओगे तभी तो बजेगा. And now 50 rupees is yours. चलिए, have a seat ma'am, thank you. Shagun. Now 100 rupees. First position. The student who has got first position, he will get 100 rupees today. And this is the very important. And now the best speaker of the campus and of the day is Aditya Negi. You will get gold medal today, and along with 100 rupees and along with this beautiful trophy. Now this for you, sir. Thank you. Have a big clap. Now could you please keep your hands together loudly. And this is your 100 rupees. Now just don't go, sir. And now this is a beautiful trophy is for you. Now just hold it. Now have it. Now don't go, sir. Don't go anywhere. You will have to speak 1 minute and you must share your happiness today, that how much happy you are here after having these all awards today. So thank you. If anyone hurts, don't mind. And next day and next position will be yours if you are doing like that. Thank you so much. Now come on the stage and share your happiness to them. First, before this, I would like to share your marks. Arya 80 out of 100 because of your confidence. Have a big clap. You have got 80 marks out of 100 because of your confidence. Aditya Thakur 90. Prapti Singh 60 because of her you have lost your confidence while speaking. Anand 85. Nehal 99 because he was a previous student. Because of this, Nehal, he has gone. So actually he is not one of them, one of us. Pragati Singh 90. Raman, actually you have spoken very good, but you have only spoken 2 minutes. Because of this you have got 60. You should raise your 5 minutes. Only speaking is not enough. You will have to stand here for 5 minutes if you have got the target to reach there. For example, आपका टारगेट पहुंचना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, लेकिन आप यहीं पे आकर रुक जाएंगे तो फिर आपको पूरा वो जो चाहते हैं यहाँ पे मिले वो यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा। आपको यहाँ पे नहीं रुकना है, आपको यहाँ तक चल के आना है। तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे हैं तो फिर यहीं तक मिलेगा, चाहे इसमें कितना अच्छा आप क्यों ना करें हो, आप इसके बीच में कितना अच्छा क्यों ना करे हो, लेकिन यहाँ वाली चीज नहीं मिलेगी ना। अमरीश 85 out of 100. श्याम 80 out of 100. आदित्य नेगी 95 out of 100. भूमि 80 out of 100. Simran, you have spoken 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Simran, 80 out of 100, but you have spoken 5 minutes completely. Anupama, she hasn't spoken anything. She got 50 out of 100 because she left the dice in the stage. But for standing here, she has got 15. Piyush 30 because you have not spoken anything. Isha has spoken good and she has got 80 out of 100. Hari has got 60. And actually if you want to get award, firstly you need to give your audience a message. Without message, your speech are empty. Your speeches are empty without message. If you are not giving message to the public, your speech is empty. Your speech is useless and your speech works no longer. So you must give a message to the public, to the society if you are delivering a speech. And he has given the message to the public. So Ashu, she has not completed her speech and she has spoken about 3 minutes and she has got 70. Suchi 40 out of 100. You must work hard, madam. Thank you. These are your numbers and you must do better next time. And your confidence, you should not lose your confidence. Confidence is everything. Thank you, sir. Now you just share your happiness to them.
So yeah, hello guys. Hello. Hello my friends. Hello, yeah. So this is a happiest day of my life because I am very happy today. As you know that I came first. So yeah, that is a very good thing. And also hello. And also my friends say, why you smile all the time? Why you smile all the time?
बात बताओ, मैं इतनी देर से बोला हूँ, माइक का भी काम करना बंद किया।
Hello.
माइक पकड़िए।
Yes, my friends say you always smile all the time and you always laugh all the time. It is not because my life is a joke, but it's because I like to smile, I like to laugh, and that is a very good thing, because you should not cry all the time and think about what is going bad in your life, because obviously there are the phases of like bad phases and good phases. These are the part of life, you can't deny it. But one thing you can improve, that is only yourself. If you can improve yourself, then you can change the whole world, as Gandhiji said. As Gandhiji said, so first smile all the time and you can do these things. If you do these things, then you will not trapped into the depression like things. So yeah, that is the first thing of my life, that be happy whatever you are. It doesn't mean that you are inferior from that or anybody. So if you smile all the time, it will boost your confidence and all this. So yeah, just smile all the time. Thank you.
भारत माता की जय। जाइए सर।
दोनों माइक को कितना बढ़िया से देखो, मैंने कितना बड़े से होने वाला है, बस थोड़ी देर। आपकी मम्मी है, दोनों माइक को देख रहे हो। खाना वाना खिला दिया हमने तो अच्छा खाया नहीं आपने। आप लोग मत खाओ फिर, अब क्या कर सकते हैं। अब खाना ला के दें, खाएंगे ही नहीं तो अब बाहर का, लेकिन खाती नहीं है वो। अब देखो मैंने दोनों माइक कितना कंट्रोल में करके बात कर रहा हूँ। आप लोगों को भी ऐसे ही कंट्रोल करके बात करना चाहिए। मैंने इसमें नहीं बोला है सर जी, इंस्टीट्यूट में अभी बोल रहा हूँ, ये नया लायक है। मैं तो हमेशा एनुअल फंक्शन में बोलता था, जैसे ये फंक्शन हो रहा है ऐसी ही चीज़ों में मैं बोलता हूँ कभी कभी, लेकिन अभी आप ही के सामने फिर मैं बोल रहा हूँ। लेकिन ये कॉन्फिडेंस की बात होती है। तो एक्चुअली everyone has done great job. Actually I am very happy for you all that you have participated in it. Now you have spoken very fantastic. I want you to become a best and impressive and effective English speaker. You are studying in Canopus Institute of English Language located in Lakshmi Nagar. If you are here in Canopus Institute, I will say, and I can say that you can speak very good English language. There is no way to not to speak English language. There is no any way. You are here, so you can speak English language. You can see here, this is the function in which you have participated and you have spoken being new students here in Canopus. And in front of these guys, and this is no child's play. If you are standing here, holding the mic and you are speaking with mic, and this is no child's play actually. I am saying that if you keep doing this kind of things, you will be the best speaker after 4 months. So just keep coming, keep speaking, or keep flourishing, and keep making your future bright, and keep making your parents feel proud, and just dazzle the name of the country, parents, states, and yourself. Thank you so much for today, and thank you so much for giving your golden and auspicious and precious time today. And just leave. Thank you so much. Bye.